Time once again for the $40 challenge, and this time we're playing at the Rainbow Casino in Wendover, Nevada. In the $40 challenge, we take $40 and see if we can play that same $40 up to 5 times on 5 different games. If we get to $45 or $50 or more, we will cash out and move on to the next game up to 5 games. If we lose all our $40, that's it, the challenge is over. So let's go inside the Rainbow Casino and see how we do with the $40 challenge. Okay, game 1 of the $40 challenge is Lightning Link Tiki Fire. I've got my 40 bucks in the machine and I am going to play a 5-cent denomination just to see how we do. We're gonna do 50 credits. Take a look down here. 50 credits, the bet. And away we go. Oh, gosh, dang it. All right, we've got, like everybody knows about Lightning Link, you need to get 6 of those, and then we need to get 3 of the bonus symbols, and we will get free spins. So, 3 more. Whoa, yeah, there we go. All right, we got the mini bonus is 50 bucks. So that's already put us over our $45 to $50 limit. And so, here we go. We've got 3 spins. And away we go. Let's see how we do. Fill it up, there we go. Resets it back up to 3. If we can get all of them filled in, we get the 23,000 grand jackpot. Let's get a minor bonus. That's 250 bucks. Come on. All right, last spin. Oh, I saw the minor go by. Oh, there we go. All right, 4 more. Get that minor in there. 1 more hit. Come on. Nope. Last spin, let's come on, hit something. Yes! All right, 3 more. Come on, we'll see if we can get another progressive bonus there. Last spin, yes! All right, we're down to 2. This is gonna be epic if we hit the grand jackpot. Not likely, but hey, my wife's with me, so that's good luck. Okay, last spin. Let's fill it in. No, dang it. That's it. Not too bad. That $50 mini bonus there. This will allow us to go on to game 2 of the $40 challenge. Yeehaw! Yay! Little coin shower here. All right, we are at 116.25. We're gonna do a follow-up spin. See what that does for us. There's a tiki there. That brought us back 5 cents. All right, we're at 115.25. We're gonna cash out and move on to game 2 of the $40 challenge here at the Rainbow Casino. Here we go, 115.25. All right, on to game 2. All right, for game 2, we are gonna play Moneyball Inferno. And we've got our original $40. Hey, there's 2 cents in there, someone left in the machine, so we get to play with their 2 cents. So we have $40 in the machine. And we're going to play $1.50 credit. We're at a penny denomination. And here we go. All right, when we get to $45 to $50 or more, we'll cash out. Nothing's lining up. All right, we need 3 of these spin features to get a bonus. So let's hope we can hit something. So far, nothing's hitting. Oh, one. Oh. It's kind of interesting. These reels slide down like from up high. It's kind of fun. All right, to $30 right now. Nothing's lining up. There's some wilds. Nothing's lining up at all. Oh, what do we got? All right. All right, about halfway through. There we go. Halfway through our 40 bucks. Something's got to happen here. We got to get back up to $45 to $50 so we can move on to game 3. Otherwise, we are done with the $40 challenge. And I don't want to be done with it. That first game was too awesome. All right, looks like we need to get six of those arrows to get a bonus. That's my guess. Haven't read the rules. All right, we're down to 17 bucks. Nothing. Oh wow, this game is tight. Very few line hits on here. We're down to our last $11. Oh, 1, 2. Let's hit it. No, crapola. Some bars for 75 cents. All right, we're down to our last $9.72 in the $40 challenge here. Ooh, generous. Uh-oh. Come on, we gotta need some money balls. This guy down here next to us is killing us. It's not like it's a competition or anything, but hey, you know. Come on, all right. Down to $4. Come on. All right, we've got basically 2 spins left. So, you know what? We're gonna make 4 spins out of it. We're gonna go down to $1. $1 a spin. See if that does anything for us. 3 spins left. Ooh, something happened. Oh, nothing. All right, guys. Here's our last spin. Last spin and nothing. All right, only got to 2 games here on the $40 challenge. That's how we do it. We got 32 cents left and we will cash that out right now. So that's it. We're cashing out only 32 cents. We are done with the $40 challenge here at the Rainbow Casino in Wendover. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you inside the casino. Bye-bye for now.